back on the vlog.
We're back, baby.
Now we are some back. Mics.
We got them mic'd up.
Can't hear my heavy breathing anymore.
We should, we need a mic for you, just for the heavy breathing. That's what we should, we gotta do it.
ASMR, heavy breathing?
Well, people don't know what goes into being the best videographer in Central Florida. It takes a lot of physical strength, athletic ability, conditioning, you know. I watched this man eat almost an entire large pizza by himself and then still perform behind the camera.
Yeah, right.
That is conditioning. That is conditioning. But yeah, what are we doing? You want to give him a tour of the Raptor?
Yes. Let's go.
She's almost done being blacked out. We have tailgate, we have A-pillars all the way to the front, and I think just the front bumper should be murdered out. So we're almost there. This is day 2 of wrapping it. So by end of day 3, should be done. Day 4 she goes home. So wait for the afters, folks. They're coming.
And we back.
We back. Back with it. Oh, this is the fun part. This is where men are made. The laying is one part. The tucking is where the final product comes together. That's where your coverage comes from. One bad trim and redo the panel. It's push day, baby. Got almost all the film laid. We're just, finalizing some panels, and then we'll start putting this thing back together. Is this the last piece?
It is the last piece.
This is the final piece, folks. Oh, it's a bittersweet moment. Bittersweet. Well, I mean, I guess this would be the last piece, technically. Just as important. Even that little piece is just as important.